Hello and welcome to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can download Newspaper X theme for free. Okay, and this theme is will be free for lifetime, and if you go through official newspaper website, you will get this theme for $59. But in this video only, I'll be showing you method that will allow you to download this theme for free, okay, without any hassle. And I had downloaded this theme from a newspaper website, and I have made some changes on the major code regarding licensing, and I have not added, of course I have not added any malicious code that will hamper your site performance. But if you want to use this theme in long term, I'd recommend you to go with official website, because you won't be receiving any updates from newspaper or TagDiv if you downloaded this theme, because I have only modified the licensing terms, okay, and that will allow you to use this theme without a license. But that does not guarantee you that you will be getting updates. If you want to get updates, you have to go through newspaper website, okay, theme forest, and search for newspaper. But if you want to test if this theme is right for you, okay, if this theme suits you, okay, then you can follow this method to download this Newspaper X theme and use it on your test website in order to see if this theme is working for you, okay. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to this link, phraseideaforyou.com/newspaperx, okay, and just hit enter. This will take you to this website where you will be able to download this theme, newspaper theme. Just click on download, and your file will be downloaded. Now after you have downloaded the Newspaper X theme from the link given below, just go to your dashboard and go to appearance, okay, and select themes and select add new and upload theme, okay, and just choose file. So this will be your downloaded file, and you just need to unzip that file and just go inside, and you will have newspaper, okay. Just install this theme. Just open this, and what you need to do is open this theme and install now, okay, and your theme will be uploaded inside your WordPress website. And just need to activate this theme, and your newspaper website is now activated, okay. And now what you need to do is just install and activate these plugins, okay. And after installing this plugin, okay, you will have option here to just install this theme plugins. And after you have activated this plugin, okay, you just need to click on install demos. And if you want to install this demo template, you just need to click on install. And after you have installed your demo, your website will be looking just similar to this, okay. And this is what we are talking about, right? And you just created a news website under 10 minutes, and this is the easiest way you can create a news website. If you want to learn more about creating a newspaper website, I'll be releasing more videos, so stay tuned. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this way you will be notified, and please click on that bell icon so that when I release a new video, you will be notified instantly. And thank you and for watching my video, and take care and goodbye.